Hey guys, we're back, and if you didn't see my last video that I made a couple hours ago, then you have no idea what I'm talking about. But I showed there was going to be like a storm and stuff, and here it is. Now it's hailing, so be right back when I'm downstairs. Say hi. Dad. Say hi. I zoomed into your face so much. Well, all the birds are flying away. Yeah, but it's hailing right now. Or it might just be sleet. Is that sleet?
Yeah, sleet.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, still, it's like hail. It's just hail's brother. Like, comment, subscribe.